Find or read reviews that people are talking about EPLCSE OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Core function: professional OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool and code reader accurately read/clear check engine light codes. Supports O2 sensor tests, Mode 6, and Mode 8 EVAP system leak tests. Identify emission issues early to ensure your vehicle is ready for smog checks and avoid inspection failures. Advanced features: advanced car diagnostic tool with real-time monitoring features, specialized acceleration/braking tests and carbon detection. Access accurate live data streams for RPM and speed. A powerful OBD2 scanner for car health tracking via high-precision sensors, surpassing basic check tools. Battery function: monitor your battery's performance with ease. This tool provides instant voltage readings and displays a real-time voltage waveform to assess battery health, poor, medium, good, helping you avoid unexpected vehicle stalls. Usability: user-friendly design with hotkeys and plug-and-play. This OBD2 scanner features F1/F2 hotkeys for instant I/M readiness and carbon checks. The intuitive plug-and-play interface supports 12 languages, making it the ideal diagnostic assistant for DIYers without complex setup. Compatibility: Universal Vehicle Code Reader for All OBDII Protocol Cars. Supports all 9 OBD2 protocols, compatible with most US cars, 1996+. The built-in test report automatically summarizes vehicle ID and diagnostic data, providing professional records for diverse makes and models quickly. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.